Welcome back. Are you looking for a hair growth oil? Stay back and watch how I make this coffee hair growth oil. I'll be making use of cardamom seed. Use of cardamom. Cardamom is a seed that will help to nourish and strengthen the hair follicles, to also help to boost scalp health. So I'm going to add it into a mortar and crush. So when I'm done crushing the cardamom, I will set aside. I'll be making use of 3 tablespoons of coffee. So I'm going to add the coffee into the jar. Coffee will help to exfoliate the scalp, reduce hair loss, boost hair health, and also help to soften the hair. So I'm going to be adding the crushed cardamom. So for this hair oil, I'll be making use of any carrier oil. You can make use of any carrier oil of your choice, like mustard seed oil, coconut oil, almond oil, sunflower oil, or grapeseed oil. But I'm going to be combining 2 oil. So I'm going to be adding the grapeseed oil. I'll also add the mustard seed oil. So I'm going to add enough oil to cover the coffee and cardamom seed. Then I'm going to mix to combine. You can choose to leave this to infuse for some days or weeks, but I'm going to be using the double boiler method for this. So I'm going to add the jar into a pot of water. Allow to boil for about 30 minutes or more. This method is so good because it will allow the oil to heat up. It will also help the spice and the coffee to extract all their nutrients into the oil. So I'm going to remove from the heat and allow to cool. When the oil has cooled, I'm going to strain to get the oil. So with a chiffon cloth, I'm going to pour the oil and allow to sieve. Finally, the coffee oil is ready. You can decide to add any essential oil. You can also use this oil for your hair and for your skin. You can store the oil in a container and use whenever you want. This coffee hair oil can be used in so many ways. You can add it to your hair conditioner, use it to condition your hair. You can also apply this oil to your scalp, use it to massage your scalp to improve circulation, and also to stimulate hair growth and enhance your hair texture. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.